Hi, it's Matt McGarren here, doing this live video take of some diecast cars that I've gotten, and some model kits. I'm going to go ahead and get the glue and work towards building them. Should be fun. I'm pretty sure some of these that I'm going to pull out here that most people have already seen. It's like one of these bags has been in my car for a little bit. Gotten these new ones, so might as well just jump right in. First, I collect my old vintage ones. Let's see, is this clear? I can't tell. It's nice and sunny out here at this half park. They're doing all these construction, and now they're geez, I don't know. It's taking them so long to actually do it. It's been like 5 or 6 years now. So some Zamac vehicles, and just hopefully this turns out real clear and stuff. I can't tell because the way I'm facing the sun, so it's springtime. That's good in our Zamac series. They did whole entire cars. All these castings right here, all 8 of them, and I actually have all 8 of them. This one was just at the store, so I picked it up. Pretty nice looking. I pick up these 2. It's not included to the that series right there. But they're supposed to, the park is supposed to be bigger once they're done. Like it's supposed to be like a nice good walkthrough. And picked this up Thursday. Thought this was interesting. You can't really remember the car. It says it's not a new model, so they probably came out. I just can't really remember it. Here's this one. And hopefully that the collectors that are in New Zealand, Australia, UK are able to get these diecast, or Zamacs, or however you say it. Probably say it wrong. Oh, I found a very interesting Matchbox variation here. This is pretty cool. So here's this vehicle. Volkswagen transporter, cab, wherever you want to call it. So if you look in this is shown right, oh, there we go. See how the back is nice and smooth, and it just shows the bed of the truck right out. Okay, so you look at this one. Is this, oh wait a minute. Well, I thought I was showing you the smooth one. So here's the smooth one. That's the smooth one. This one has the gear, tool gears and stuff like that. I think there's a wheel back there. So yeah, I grabbed the whatever. That's kind of weird, but that's a smooth one. Just the bed truck, and then here's the one with the tire and probably tool set or bag set. Thought that was interesting. A variation. I was kind of looking through them and trying to find that one because I went to a collector's show that's here in Colorado. Here's this one, and there was a wheel variation on a Matchbox vehicle. Well, I found this one and I thought, oh, I gotta grab that. That's interesting. I've never seen that before. Here's this, supposed to be a new model, custom Ford Maverick. Pretty nice looking car. Ford Maverick. Here's our Zamac one, or have you Zamac. I'll probably never say it right. And somebody's at the park. Oh well. I'm video recording. There's this car right here. A what?
Chocolate lab?
No.
Alright, thanks.
Yeah. So here's this vehicle. Real nice. And just think they did a then and now. Let's see what year this is. It says 2018. So they're still doing the then and now series one. Put that right there. Uh-oh, this car got a little punched. Yeah, that lady's looking for a dog. Hopefully she finds one. So here's this one, Camaro. Actually, I got two of these, I think. The two of the Camaros, I think I do. Here is this, what is this? 64, 67 Ford Mustang Coupe. Pretty nice looking. I got a lot of cars, so hopefully I got a lot of time to do this. So I'm gonna kind of just move these like right there, so the bag won't. Yep, they're looking for their dog. Hopefully the dog is found. Looks like this card got a little bit of So here's this vehicle, nice new model Jeep Wrangler. Huh. Interesting casting. Because if you look at the doors, there's see-through. Oh yeah, I got two of these, huh? I didn't realize I got two of these. Oh well. More of it the better. So here's this new model. I think this is new model. 2018. Cadillac. Nice vehicle. New model again. Which I'm pretty sure some of these that I got right here, you have pretty much seen already. In the source. It's definitely this funky one. This is different. I don't know. It's just kind of different. What does this say? It says Buns of Steel. Okay. Buns of Steel it is. Yep. See if I can get this to be right here. Oh, I got two of these. So why did I get two of them? To open one or what? Yeah, let's open one. Let's crack it open since it's never mind. Check this out. Wow, that's like a big piece of plastic. I just tap this phone here to keep the focus in. So I got up to 10 minutes in the video and stuff, so I'll probably have to cut pace because I got quite a bit to show here. So the top piece is plastic, the hamburger is plastic. Different. Taking the bottom piece is die-cast. It's a different type of model. This is plastic. Quite a bit of plastic in there. Big huge wheels in the back. What is that? 5S? 5S spokes. Be cool if there was like an Aaron or something. Look at that big blower thing in the back of there. So I wonder where the engine sets. In the hamburger bun? Huh. See if it shows any details. It shows some cheese. Melted cheese. Kind of different. There's seeds on the bun. Huh. That's unique. Yes, a little bit of those in. So here's another, I think this is another, no, this is another Razor. I like race cars. Look pretty nice. Just got another new magazine in today for vehicles. I was going to show it, but because I left it in my car. Here's this motorcycle. Different paint scheme and decals. Okay, so my video stopped recording. And I'll just have to keep on recording until I'm done and cut and paste. Because like I said, I got quite a bit to show, and I haven't, here's this Matchbox vehicle. Chevy, I think it's Chevy, 750 Chevy step side. Get myself out of the share right there. Pretty nice. Now it says I only got like 3 freaking minutes, which, you know, this is taking me a while. I haven't recorded for a while. Oh, there we go. Now I can really see it. Another Matchbox vehicle. 1970 Chevy Eldorado. I think that's Eldorado. El Camino. It's an El Camino. Oh, I guess I can't see it that damn clear. Now the wind picked up. It's all nice and sunny. What the heck happened? So I picked up this model kit. I'm going to do both of these vehicles if both of them are in here. I got it for cheap. I only paid like 10 bucks for this. See how I'm going to lay out. What I like doing when I do models, if I ever did models, it's been a long time, is that the color of the plastic, if there's no indication in the plastic. Come on. I'm shaking the phone too. Here, let's see if I can do this. Putting that right there. Okay. So, see how much time I got. Not too much time. I have to restart and start it again and cut and paste. So like, see how this looks of the plastic? What I like to do is I don't like to paint it if there's no indication to the plastic that it needs to be painted. And I go and just put the pieces together, paint the engine, paint the base, paint the interior, and then I put it all together. So it will look like this color right here. This looks really good. You know, I don't see no flaws in it. I haven't done a model for quite some time. And what I like doing is when I do models, is I'm slow. I put it together, then I let it sit. I don't put it all together in one day. I just let it sit so the pieces can be glued together. Then if it needs to be painted or something, coming up to that 3 minutes, I'm gonna have to probably restart. So here's this other model that I got for 3 bucks. Should be interesting. If all the parts are not there, I'll make do. I've customized vehicles beforehand, where I chopped off the top and added to another body or something like that, or 2 different bodies, put them together. Should be an interesting model. And it's gonna stop. Yeah. Time's gonna show up, and I'm gonna. So now I got a minute. Yeah, what a pain in the googadoos. I'm gonna put this down, try to do this in a minute. Not giving me a whole lot of time. So here's some of the ones I got in here. Some new ones of this. I got the Mexican release one. Got some nice old fashioned ones. I'm trying to do this. I started getting some pocket watches, old antique pocket watches. I got the clock movements right here. This is Hong Kong. Here's a newbie one, if I can get it out of here without destroying it. It's purple Hong Kong, which is very hard to find. It's not the best condition. And I don't know. I got me the orange one. I think I showed that somehow. The orange USA one is very difficult to find. And whew, something fell out, all this decals. And I'm gonna run out of time. I'm not gonna have enough time. Nope, not enough time. Got me a blue classic cord. Get that time. So hopefully I can find this video, and I don't have to do a little demonstration of saying thank you for watching. Happy collecting. And I started looking at another blue classic cord too. I don't know why. Here's a nice copper, which is harder to find for that casting. Another Camaro, which is in better shape. Yeah, I guess, you know, Seasider. Oops, I shouldn't do that. Well, those are the cars I've gone. Models I gone. Hopefully I can find this video and transfer it to the other video. I don't know why I didn't record it to my storage SD card, but shouldn't have. But maybe it's just in my settings and I have to reset it to you know, save through there, because I have a 32 gig SD card in here. So these are my cars. Hopefully I can find this video and cut and paste. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. It's a little bit lengthy video, but it has been quite a little bit of time since I've done a video. And springtime, hopefully in a couple of years they can get this park done and everything done. They finally opened the bridge. The bridge was down that way. It was out for like 5 years. And they finally opened it up. I can't believe it. I actually went ahead and drove on it, because I couldn't believe I was actually driving on the bridge. It just took them so long. So, happy collecting. And thank you for watching.